Hi.
Hi.
Mel,
Peyton.
we're here to debate about
One Direction.
and Blood on the Dance Floor. Personally, Blood on the Dance Floor. Her, One Direction.
Well, One Direction is, well, they have catchy songs. They're all cute. Blood on the Dancer, it's just not cool.
It's Blood on the Dance Floor. See if I can get the focus up here. How could you say no to a face like that? Or, I mean, like, look at this. It trifles. Pictures. Like,
No.
How could you say no? No. How could you say no to a face like that?
It's ugly.
No. Blood on the Dance Floor. All the way. All the way.
No.
One Direction isn't even a band. I mean, like, that's a bunch of guys going, oh, no, what makes you beautiful? No, what makes you beautiful is on the inside, not on the outside. Outside. Blood on the Dance Floor is all about that.
Well, One Direction isn't just a boy band. It's more than that.
Okay, then what is it?
It's,
What's the head on?
you know, politics.
Politics?
Yeah,
Really?
politics.
Politics. Blood on the Dance Floor is covering your face. Individualism.
No.
I look like a robber.
You are a robber.
I am a robber. I'm gonna rob One Direction of their career and be like, what? No One Direction.
No.
You're a One Directioner?
Yes, I am.
Oh, I want more blood. More blood. Look, it even comes with a poster.
Gay poster.
Just because Javon Monroe is gay doesn't mean he's gonna. I mean, like, look at this. Look at that. That's obvious.
It's ugly.
That's Jay.
It's ugly.
Jay. You can't. No. One Direction just doesn't even compare. I mean, no.
One Direction is way better. No matter what you say.
I mean, like, this talks about sex. I mean, like, revenge porn. Fantasyland. What does One Direction got? What makes you beautiful? No. No. This right here isn't always going to make you beautiful. You know, what's on the inside is always going to make you beautiful, not what's on the outside.
Why did you lift your shirt off?
Because it's what's on the inside.
Well, not
inside. Outside doesn't matter so much. Inside's what matters.
I'm sure it does.
No.
Well,
inside.
I just heard their new single, Live While You're Young, and...
Is that like YOLO? Because YOLO sucks. No YOLO.
No, not...
No YOLO.
Not like YOLO.
What is YOLO?
Really?
I know what it is, but... For you kids, YOLO's like, partying, I'm gonna go smoke some weed. No. That's not YOLO. I still can't believe you said politics.
I love to see politics.
Do you even know about politics?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
So, you tell us who's better, Blood on the Dance Floor? Blood on the Dance Floor? Or One Direction? Pick Blood on the Dance Floor.
One Direction.
Just remember, Peyton.
Hi.
Mel. Oh my god. One heart. All together. Not like dating together. just friends. No.
We're just best friend, neighbors, people.
People, sisters.
Yeah, we're pretty
Too
much.
cool. Okay, so we'll give you our Facebook links in the description below. Comments, add us. In the next video, probably we'll be doing dares. So leave us your dares below. Or not. Be totally uncool like that and total drag off. But that's okay, because we still love you. So,
see you next time.
Well,